She's trying. Moving around. Getting a little movement therapy. Oh. You be good, bud. Bud. No. No, you be good. You be good, okay? I know, and I gotta still tend to these guys. Well, we're gonna give her a little exercise. Huh? We're gonna let her go. And what I might do is I might bring her inside for a while. So I could do some housework and then I don't have to worry about her. Or your ass. Be a good bud, okay? Be a good bud. No. Go find Buster. Why don't you go find Buster? It's okay, sweet girl. I know. Think of this as physical therapy. Nature therapy. I got all these bees around me. Do you guys mind? I'm busy. We're busy. You should be busy too.